Today marks a feat and pride in bringing Cancer Center to the next level.
Pero seriously, ano ba yung gamit nito, bro?
Basically, this is for treatment ng mga cancer patient natin. And at the same time, ito yung first in the Philippines na Radixact machine. So it works 360 degrees yung treatment niya.
So dito hihiga yung patient and then automatic na siyang mag-roll up doon.
Yeah. So habang ang kagandahan nito is habang pumapasok yung patient, natitreat na siya.
Wow.
Ganun yung advantage ng Radixact.
Alright, so exclusive access, guys. This is the first in the Philippines. Ito siya. Ang ganda.
Our oncology nurse, okay, but she's also one of our patients in Tomo, and she has a first-hand experience on how the machine works. Yes, so siya yung head nurse namin at the same time naging patient.
So ayun nga, guys, no? So for those who doesn't know, actually si Mark po ay nagtatrabaho dito sa CLIOC. Ano ba yung CLIOC, Mark?
Yeah, so CLIOC means Central Luzon Integrated Oncology Center. So this is more on the treatment ng mga cancer patient natin.
So ano ba yung mga nakikita mo naman na parang success stories or mga happy memories naman na na-experience dito sa CLIOC?
Yeah, so ang kagandahan naman dito, since we are interacting with yung mga cancer patient natin, and nalalaman natin yung mga cancer stories nila, and dun tayo natatouch yung from the takot sila magpa-treatment or yung mga nawawala na ng pag-asa when it comes sa mga cancer. Dito natutulungan natin to give more hope. And syempre yung binibigay natin yung excellence natin when it comes sa pagbibigay ng service sa kanila.
So na-improve pa yung quality ng life nila, nagkakaroon ng hope.
Yes, kumbaga binibigyan natin sila ng hope to live more for a better life.
Correct. So ayun, let's propagate the news. This is a good news para po sa mga taga Pampanga, taga
nearby provinces,
and the entire Philippines, because this is the first one to be here. No, diba? So
our agenda, not hindi para kumita lang. Our goal is to be sustainable, a sustainable business para mas makatulong pa to reach sa mga patients. So
kilalanin natin yung mga mga staff natin dito sa CLIOC. Say hi to the video. Hi! So, ito yung mga sama admins natin. Ito, Tomo department natin. Which is, ito yung mga nag-humahawak ng Radixact natin. So, say hi guys! Hi! Pakilala naman natin mga admin department natin.
I am the social worker.
So, shoutout na. Anong ba yung shoutout?
Shout out to my husband, happy birthday!
Sa mga families na naghahanap ng mga center for their loved ones na may cancer, so Central Luzon Integrated Oncology Center or CLIOC is open for you. So we bring hope and excellence in cancer care.
Thanks so much, Mark.
Yeah, peace out!